All right, let's check this out. We just clicked into CrabCulture. That's the name of the channel. This video is called Acid Electro and Breakbeat Set Inside a Yarn Factory. This is the first time I've ever heard of something like this. One of the things I like to talk about in my video and I like to think about a lot is what is the idea for the video. Now, if you go to my channel, my DJ channel, No Diego No, you're gonna find that like my videos are all very different. I've tried many different things. 1 camera, 4 cameras, controller versus a different controller, on the balcony, on the desk. My channel is really about experimentation and trying new things, and I'm always pushing myself to try new ideas. This is a great example of an idea that's out there, and we're gonna check it out. Let me make sure I have the sound on, and we'll turn it up. A yarn factory. It's amazing. Again, earlier I talked about lighting. I mean, first of all, there's so much to say here. This is amazing. And there's another camera angle here. Nice. All right, let's break it down. Let me know what you think. Drop some comments. Let me know your reactions. What do you guys like about this video? What don't you like? Be respectful, please. Oh, just great. Look, we're 2 seconds in, and some great choices were made. Someone said, hey, there are these lights. We can switch them on and off. Why start with all of them on already? Why not introduce the environment that we're going to be in first? This is like in many movies, the director will choose the scene, the place, the location. We want to know where we are. This is filmmaking right here. Someone's thinking about that. Where are we? What place are we now being transported to? And the choice to do it in beat. I don't know too much about this CrabCulture brand. It looks like they felt the need to insert their brand right in the beginning. That's fine. That's cool. It's a little, it takes me a little bit out of the world of the weird yarn factory. But it's okay, they kept, it's not just the crab, it's the crab in the factory. And then there's a detail shot, another detail shot, closer up. Great, perfect. Right when the beat drops, we go to the DJ. Great choice with the lighting, a pin spot on her to make her stand out. We see the background, we see the environment, the yarn factory. It's so unique. There's movement, it's interactive. It's almost like the yarn is being propelled by the music. And even though she's wearing black, just that spotlight on her makes her jump out of the background. And it's very clear. The intention is very clear. So think about the light. Think about your lighting when you're setting up your shot. Where are you gonna stand? And how is it gonna help me stand out from my background? You don't wanna get lost in your background where like you just fade into the background and all of a sudden we're just seeing the whole picture and we don't even know where you are. I would have maybe put another light a little bit lower to also illuminate the mixer a little bit more and her surface just a little bit. just a little bit, not too much to compete against her. And it looks to me like maybe in the editing and the color grading, they intentionally darkened some of these areas around her. But I wish I could see a little bit more detail in the shadows here. I mean, it's very clear. They made it very clear that this is a DJ video, no doubt. But I think I'd want to see a little bit more of the detail. I mean, what a cool place to be in. Why not show a little bit more of it? Guys, this was a great way to end the stream. Check out Acid Electro and Breakbeat Set inside a yarn factory. I have to save this to watch for later. Yes.